Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. A soggy week ahead for southern Queensland especially, but showers are also in store for the tropics now that the monsoon is firing up and we're starting to see the threats of lows forming in the Coral Sea and Gulf of Carpentaria. Very active. Temperatures today across far north Queensland, it's frustrating because they're always the same and then not very pleasant. Mid-20s at night, low 30s by day and very high humidity. No sign of it ending. Let's look at the satellite loop now. At the moment, the bulk of the uplift of moist air and rain activity has been in a belt between Fraser Island and the Sunshine Coast, and that continues to be the area where the heaviest falls are. The Sunshine Coast itself has done fairly well, and around the Fraser Coast and extending northwest, some pretty big falls as well, less at the moment in the tropics. And tomorrow we've got another day of reasonably heavy rain across the southern part of Queensland, and that includes the Darling Downs and even the southern Central Highlands. On today's chart now, we have a chart that shows a fairly strong ridge of high pressure in the Tasman Sea, and the moist winds are converging into the monsoon trough, producing all that rain. On tomorrow's chart, we see more heavy falls in the south, but reasonably clear for the time being in the tropics. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau. The boating forecast for Cairns waters, south to southeast winds 10 to 15 knots tomorrow. Pretty much the same again for Friday. And then on Saturday, even lighter if that's possible, just 10 knots or less. High tide first up tomorrow in the morning, peaks getting bigger as full moon draws closer. Low tides due in the early afternoon. The North Tropical Coast and Tablelands, we've got a 40% chance of showers tomorrow and there could be late thunderstorms. Cairns 24 to 33 degrees and again humid. Atherton 31, Innisfail 32, Mareeba 33 degrees. And looking ahead for Cairns, continuing hot and humid with broken clouds, steamy nights, about 50% chance of rain most days and a possible cyclone this weekend as a low forms in the Coral Sea. For Atherton, it's the same. It is a bit of a wild card as we get beyond about Friday because of potential development of a monsoon low or a possible cyclone in the Coral Sea. This guy told me yesterday he saw the rain coming, dead set. The saying goes that if a frog starts calling during a dry spell, rain is due in 24 to 48 hours. Never underestimate the forecasting skill of our native wildlife. They've been around a lot longer than us, and like meteorologists, they pick up on clues like falling pressure or rising humidity. But like meteorologists, they also bungle it up from time to time because the weather always has the last say. Catch you tomorrow, folks. Hope you're all well and life's dandy. Now it's back to the team.
Yeah, wonderful, Liv. Thank you very much, mate. Lovely having your company. Catch you tomorrow night. And just a reminder, you can enjoy a replay of our news and also the National Bulletin over on 7:2. From all of us, good night. Good night.